Hi everyone, now I want to show you my reading process about my expository essay. I had to follow this step: pre-writing, drafting, revising, editing, and publication. Now, the first is pre-writing. Here we have my audience, because as you already know, the first step about the pre-writing is that you have to select your audience. It's for all public. This is my topic, the spread of the new COVID. This is my brainstorming. I use this technique or resource, brainstorming. This is my idea about my brainstorming. So this is my drafting, my outline. This is the topic about my outline, the coronavirus spread, COVID-19. And I decide to use the cause and effects because it is a good topic to relate with the cause and effects. So this is my topic sentence 1. The coronavirus was discovered in December 21, 2019. This is my supporting sentence 1. This equation, as you can see there or here. This is the detail according to the equation, the answer according to the equations. This is the topic sentence 2. The main cause of the COVID-19 spread was the zoonotic transmission. In my supporting sentence 1, it is a question according to this information. And my details support my question and answer my question. This is my second supporting sentence about my second topic sentence. As you already know, other case of the coronavirus spread could be the contact between humans and humans. Here we have the detail about this kind of information. And this is my topic sentence 3, the coronavirus effects around the world. And here we have the topic sentence 1. The supporting sentence 1. And it's a question: how many people are sick of COVID-19 around the world? And here in the detail I have the numbers of the people who are sick. Here we have my second supporting sentence. It is a question 2. How many people have died because of the COVID-19 around the world? And in the detail I have here numbers about the death of the people. So here we have my third one, supporting sentence: the coronavirus is affecting terrible the worldwide economic. In the detail, I support my idea idea about the coronavirus, or about the supporting sentence 3. So I want to show you my part of my essay. My introductions about my essay, my expository essay. So this is my introduction. Topic: the coronavirus spread, COVID-19. This is the hook, and this is the background, and this is my thesis statement. You can read it. And this is the body paragraph 1, the body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3, and obviously the conclusion. In this case, I didn't do it, the body paragraph 1 and 2 and 3 like this, because in this part it was unnecessary to include some apposition. For that reason, I decided to continue in my Word document. So I want to show my expository essay completely. This is my expository essay, the coronavirus spread, COVID-19. As you already know, you already see, the coronavirus spread has affected 185 countries around the world. This is my hook, and I decide to represent with the color blue, and my background with the color green, and my thesis statement with the color red. As you already see, this is my first body paragraph, and this is the citation, the apposition that I include. This is the second paragraph. This is the apposition, and this is the third one. And the apposition too, and this is my conclusion, and that's my expository essay. So that's all. Thank you.